Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating your 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 949. We're opening two boxes of Upper Deck Artifact 1314 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets and ended July 12th at 9:59 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 12:56 p.m. Monday, July 13th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Home of our Pan Am Games. Our first box number is $200, 035, 576. Second box number is $200, 144, 879. We've got 4 cards per pack, 10 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box, Artifact 1314. We've got 1 empty box, 10 packs, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. First pack, over 2 box break. Dual jersey card for Washington, Mikael Nervit and Brendan Holtby. Tundra Tandems. Jamie Oleksiak, rookie for Stars out of 299. Chet Picard. Chet Picard is Predators out of 999. Scott Lawton, rookie for Flyers out of 999. Corey Crawford for Blackhawks out of 999 parallel card. Got a rookie redemption for Ottawa. Card number 220. 220, according to Upper Deck, Cody Casey. Chet Picard again, jersey card out of 125 for Predators. Nick Petrecki, rookie for Sharks out of 99. Card number 1. Oh, this is nice. Let me just sleeve this right away. Put my fingers on it. We got a Mario Lemieux jersey and patch out of 75. Pittsburgh, nice hit. Nice patch. Okay, couple bases here. And we're down to our last pack over a 2 box break. Our first box of the 2 box break. scare anybody. Okay, we've got Patrick O'Sullivan for Coyotes, signature card artifact. Okay, now we're at our second box. I'd like to mention that we got 7 box breaks ending tonight between 7:30 and 10:30 p.m. We have a Artifact 14-15 box break tonight. We got some Ultimate Collection, Rookie Anthology, Titanium 4 box break, Crown Royale, a empty box, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 packs. All that tonight on box breakers. More appeal all the time. First pack of our second box. Randoms for Kings. We got Justin Williams and Dustin Benner. Game used jersey card. Max Reinhardt for Calgary. Out of 999 rookie. Bill Rafa for Boston, out of 999. Jordan Schroeder, rookie for Canucks, but out of 85, card number 40. Mark Stone for Senators, out of 999. We got a rookie redemption for Washington, card number 229, 229, according to Upper Deck. Philip Grubauer for Caps. Doug Gilmour, jersey card for Toronto, out of 125. Ryan Spooner for Boston, another short print rookie, out of 99. Like some 85 and some 99s. Michael Frolik. Oh, this is a patch. It's jersey and patch for Blackhawks, out of 75. I'm surprised they managed to do a one-color patch on a Blackhawk. I'm just surprised. Wait, out of 75, it's written patch. Okay, we're down to our last pack of our 2-box break. Brian Lee for Tampa Bay, signature card artifact. Okay, well, that's our 2-box. Let me just do a little cleanup here. We can do a quick recap of our hits. Okay, here we go. Signature card for Tampa Bay. Jersey and patch card for Blackhawks, out of 75. Rookie out of 99 for Boston. Jersey card Toronto. Rookie for Caps. Rookie out of 85 Canucks. Rookie for Calgary out of 999. Dual jersey card for Kings. Auto for Coyote. Oh yeah, we've got a jersey and patch of Mario Lemieux for Pittsburgh. Nick Petrecki, rookie out of 99 for Sharks. Jersey card, Chet Picard for Predators. Rookie for Senators. Rookie for Flyers. Rookie for Stars out of 299. and a dual jersey card for Caps. That concludes our break on number 949 for 2 box of 1314 Artifact. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tonight. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.